These natural and DIY pesticides are effective at helping to rid your crops of harmful critters, but safe enough to use around you and your family. In this video we are going to talk about homemade organic pesticide every gardener must know. 1. Vegetable oil spray. A homemade insecticide made from vegetable oil mixed with a mild soap, such as Dr. Bronner's Castile soap, can have a devastating effect on certain troublesome insects, such as aphids, mites, thrips, etc. To make a basic oil spray insecticide, mix 1 cup of vegetable oil with 1 tablespoon of soap, cover and shake thoroughly, and then when ready to apply, add 2 teaspoons of the oil spray mix with 1 quart of water, shake thoroughly, and spray directly on the surfaces of the plants which are being affected by the little pests. 2. Soap spray. A very similar homemade pesticide to the oil spray is a soap spray, which is also effective for controlling mites, aphids, whiteflies, beetles, and other hungry little insects. To make a basic soap spray insecticide, mix 1 1/2 teaspoons of a mild liquid soap, such as Castile soap, with 1 quart of water, and spray the mixture directly on the infected surfaces of the plants. A soap spray insecticide works in a similar fashion as an oil spray pesticide. 3. Neem Oil Spray. An oil extracted from the seeds of the neem tree is a powerful natural insecticide, capable of disrupting the life cycle of insects at all stages, adult, larva, and egg, making it a great resource for the organic gardener. Neem oil acts as a hormone disruptor and as an antifeedant for insects that feed on leaves and other plant parts. Neem oil is biodegradable and is non-toxic to pets, birds, fish, and other wildlife, and is effective against a variety of common garden insect pests, as well as being a natural fungicide that can combat powder mildew and other fungal infections on plants. 4. Diatomaceous Earth. This natural substance with a somewhat unwieldy name is made from a sedimentary rock created by fossilized algae, diatoms, and which is a rather abundant resource. Diatomaceous earth is said to make up 26% of the Earth's crust by weight. Diatomaceous earth has a number of uses in and around the home, and acting as a natural insecticide is just one of them. This material works not by poisoning or smothering the insects, but instead by virtue of its abrasive qualities and its affinity for absorbing the lipids, a waxy substance, from insects' exoskeleton, which then dehydrates them to death. Diatomaceous earth is often available at garden stores. 5. Garlic spray. Garlic is well known for its pungent aroma, which is delectable to some and yet repellent to others, and it is this strong scent that comes into play when used as a natural insecticide. Actually, it's not really clear if garlic spray and chili spray, below, are actually insecticides or are more likely insect repellents, but either way, these common kitchen ingredients can be used to knock down, or even knock out, insect infestations in the garden. To make a basic garlic spray, take 2 whole bulbs, not just 2 cloves, and puree them in a blender or food processor with a small amount of water. Let the mixture sit overnight, then strain it into a quart jar, add enough water to fill the jar. To use this homemade insecticide, use 1 cup of mixture with 1 quart of water and spray liberally on infested plants. 6. Chili pepper spray. Similar to garlic spray, chili pepper spray is a great homemade natural insect repellent that can be used for a variety of different pests. Chili spray can be made from either fresh hot peppers or chili pepper powder. To make a basic chili spray from pepper powder, mix 1 tablespoon of chili powder with 1 quart of water and several drops of mild liquid soap. This mixture can be used full strength on the leaves of affected plants. To make chili spray from fresh chili peppers, blend or puree 1/2 cup of peppers with 1 cup of water, then add 1 quart of water and bring to a boil. Let sit until cooled, then strain out the chili material, add several drops of liquid soap to it and spray as desired. 7. Tomato leaf spray. Tomato plants are part of the nightshade family, and as such, contain alkaloids such as the aptly named tomatine, which can effectively control aphids and other insects. To make tomato leaf spray for a natural insecticide, chop 2 cups of fresh tomato leaves, which can be taken from the bottom part of the plant, into 1 quart of water, and let steep overnight. Strain out the plant material and spray onto plant foliage. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.